Welcome to our tutorial on how to display your father's name at the top of your Facebook profile on PC. Facebook has recently updated this feature, making it easier than ever to honor your dad. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to make this happen. First, open up your favorite web browser and head to facebook.com. Once you're there, look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. It's usually a small circular image. Go ahead and give that a click to access your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, you'll see a menu just below your cover photo. Find and click on the About section. This will take you to a page with various categories of information about you. In the About section, you'll want to locate the Details About You tab. It's usually one of the first options you'll see. Click on that to expand your personal details. Here's where the magic happens. Look for a link that says Add a Nickname, a birth name, etc., and click on it. A small window will pop up with some options. In this window, you'll see a drop-down menu next to Name Type. Click on that and scroll down until you find Father's Name. Select that option. Now, you'll see a field where you can enter your father's name. Type it in exactly as you'd like it to appear on your profile. Here's the crucial part. Make sure to check the box that says Show at top of profile. This ensures your father's name will be displayed prominently. Finally, hit that Save button, and you're all set. Your father's name will now appear at the top of your profile for all your friends to see. And there you have it. You've successfully added your father's name to the top of your Facebook profile using the latest update. It's a great way to show pride in your family and honor your dad. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Facebook tips and tricks.